Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to customize date and time in Windows 11 25H2, and also how to customize AM and PM into good morning and good evening. Let's begin. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. In the left side menu, click on Time and Language. Now click on Date and Time. Scroll down and click on Change Date and Time Format. Here you will see options to customize: short date, long date, short time, and long time. Choose the format you prefer from the drop-down menus. Now, to customize AM and PM, click Change next to the AM or PM field. Now change AM and PM. Click OK. That's it. Now your Windows 11 system will display good morning and good evening instead of AM and PM. Thanks for watching.